So, a little change of plan. We're going to take this top out. Usually I'd climb up there and take it out a little smaller. But we got this piece right here, and every part of this tree has been hollowed throughout all the limbs. So I don't want to rope out from up there and be tied up there with this part right here. So we're just going to cut a big piece. We got an extra rigging ring down there, and let this thing run. The reason I'm doing that is so that holds on. Awesome. As long as possible. See, that just makes it less snatch. Hung up there.